The video showcases a web page with a dark background featuring 4 embedded YouTube videos under the centered title Embedded YouTube Videos in bold white text. The videos are arranged in a grid format, with 3 videos in the top row and 1 in the bottom center. Each video is embedded using iframes, allowing direct playback from the web page. The thumbnails contain AI and machine learning related visuals, graphs, and mathematical representations, indicating technical content. The first video, top left, discusses Sankey diagrams in AI education, highlighting decision-making and student performance trends. The second video, top center, focuses on AI-powered pie chart representation, showing a mathematical network. The third video, top right, covers AI model formulas and k-fold cross-validation, featuring equations and validation graphs. The fourth video, bottom center, provides a synopsis of an AI/ML handbook, explaining key topics visually. All videos are authored by Pradeep K, Suri, suggesting a focus on AI research and education.